Welcome to the best picks. The best Sony ZV-E10 Accessories is probably one of the most versatile and affordable mirrorless camera for creators on a budget, but to truly unlock its potential, you'll need the right accessories. In this video, we will explore essential items like lenses, microphones, lighting, and stabilization gear to elevate your vlogging and streaming game, transforming your ZV-E10 setup from good to great. Number 5. XEVN Sony ZV-E10 Case. This premium case is designed to perfectly fit your Sony ZV-E10 camera with a 16 to 50mm lens. It's made from high-quality, durable PU leather, offering superior protection and style. The case's strong structure and precise design safeguard your camera from scratches and impacts. It provides excellent protection for both your lens and LCD screen. Experience a more secure grip with the textured, non-slip design. It enhances stability, giving you better control over your camera. Easily access the battery and memory card from the bottom. Charge and transfer data conveniently through the side data cable port. It features a large, easily installed screw for attaching to a tripod. No tools are needed for setup or removal. What we like. It provides full body protection for your camera. Made of premium PU leather, it's stylish and durable. Plus, you can access the battery and memory card easily. If you prioritize protection and style for your camera, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who want to keep their camera safe from scratches and bumps while maintaining a sleek look. What people say. The craftsmanship is top-notch, with precise cutouts that allow easy access to all buttons and ports. The snug fit ensures my camera is secure without adding unnecessary bulk, making it perfect for travel and everyday use. Fits perfectly for an A6000 with a stock 16 to 50mm mounted and worked great for what I needed it to do. Number 4. Artman NP-FW50 Battery and Charger. It's compatible with a wide range of Sony cameras, including the ZV-E10, Alpha 6000 series, A7 series, RX10 series, and more. This ensures it's a versatile solution for many photographers. The 3-slot charger allows you to charge 3 batteries simultaneously. Its LCD screen gives you a clear, real-time view of the charging status of each battery. With a 1300 mAh capacity, these batteries provide up to 4 times the shooting time of a standard battery. Capture every moment without interruption. They include overcharge, overcurrent, overvoltage, short circuit, and high temperature protection. This ensures safe and reliable performance. It can be charged via micro USB or Type-C, making it convenient to power up using various sources like wall chargers, laptops, or power banks. What we like. This one offers a triple battery pack with an LCD charger, extending your shooting time significantly. It's compatible with a wide range of Sony cameras. If you need extra power and longer shooting sessions, this is the best option. It's perfect for travel, events, or any situation where you need to shoot for extended periods without worrying about battery life. What people say. The batteries last a long time and they charge pretty quickly. Coming up to a year of use since purchase and they're still holding strongly. I've had photo shoots that lasted 6 to 8 hours where the camera was on and off throughout the day, and only had to change battery once. This charger is perfect. You can use micro USB or USB to charge. Charges all 3 batteries at the same time and the screen provides all the information you need. Number 3. SmallRig 3526 Cold Shoe Adapter. This adapter is a game changer for your Sony ZV camera. It provides a simple solution for vloggers who need clear audio and extra accessories. It's perfectly designed for your Sony ZV-1F, ZV-E10, ZV-1, ZV-E1, or ZV-1-2. It's the ultimate accessory for easy vlogging. The included windshield significantly reduces wind noise during outdoor shoots. It's made of high-quality faux fur for superior sound quality. It lets you add both a microphone and an LED light simultaneously. This solves the problem of limited hot shoe space. It's made from high-quality nylon for strength and durability. The bottom cushion protects your camera and ensures a secure fit. Weighing only 7 g, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to take with you wherever you go. Perfect for travel vlogging. What we like. This cold shoe adapter comes with a wind muff, ensuring clear audio recording even in windy conditions. It also expands your camera's functionality by allowing you to add more accessories. If you're a vlogger or content creator who needs high-quality audio and versatile mounting options, this is a must-have. It's perfect for improving your audio quality and adding more accessories to your camera setup. What people say. It works great as a replacement for the stock one I lost somewhere. Plus the addition of still being able to use a light or some other attachment is really nice. Very good quality. This is perfect. It's super sturdy and I love how the wind shield is more compact and is softer than the original. I don't notice a difference in the sound quality of my videos, and best of all, I can add my light to my cam. It slides out of the slot easily, so there's no need to worry about struggling to get it off. Beyond seeming to be as good for audio as the original, it has the additional benefit of allowing you to still cold shoe an accessory on it. Allows me to use a camera light while filming myself in low light conditions, which is great. Number 2. Wasabi Power NP FW50 Battery Kit. This kit gives you 2 extra batteries and a dual charger, so you'll never miss a shot due to low power. It features premium cells for longer runtimes. Enjoy more time shooting without worrying about battery life. The charger lets you charge 2 batteries at once from any USB source, such as a wall adapter, car charger, or power bank. Charge it at home, in your car, or on the go. It's versatile and convenient. The charger has overcharge protection, ensuring your batteries and devices are safe. The kit includes 2 batteries and a dual USB charger. It also comes with a 3-year warranty and US-based customer support. It works with a wide range of Sony cameras, ensuring compatibility with your equipment. What we like. It includes 2 batteries and a dual USB charger, providing ample power for your shoots. The batteries offer extended runtime. If you need extra power and convenience, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want to avoid running out of battery power during important shoots. What people say. Charging my Sony camera and spare batteries. I like that it can charge 2 batteries at once, as I have 2 Sony cameras that use the same battery. This is a solid charger for the Sony a6000 Plus mirrorless DSLR cameras. 2 lights on the top of the charger are solid red while charging. Batteries were 50% on arrival. USB-A to micro USB plug-on charger. Number 1. LTGEM Sony Alpha Camera Case. This case is custom designed to perfectly fit your Sony Alpha vlog camera. It's the ultimate travel companion for your valuable equipment. It's made from durable, shockproof EVA material to keep your camera safe from bumps and splashes. The snug fit ensures everything stays secure. With its compact size, it easily fits into your backpack, carry-on luggage, or even a larger bag. It's lightweight and easy to transport. The case features a detachable shoulder strap for easy carrying and an inner mesh pocket for storing accessories. The smooth zipper ensures quick and easy access. Take it anywhere. It's the ideal protective case for your camera, whether you're traveling locally or internationally. Keep your camera safe and sound. Protect your investment with this high-quality camera case. Order yours today and experience the peace of mind that comes with superior protection. What we like. This hard case offers excellent protection for your camera during travel. It's shockproof and durable, keeping your camera safe from bumps and drops. It's also lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport. If you need a durable and portable case to protect your camera while traveling, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who frequently travel with their camera equipment. What people say. The fit is absolutely perfect, providing a snug and secure hold on my camera, which gives me great peace of mind. The build quality of this case is impressive. The exterior is tough and durable, offering excellent protection against bumps and drops. The interior is lined with a soft, padded material that prevents any scratches on the camera screen and lens. One feature I particularly appreciate is the custom compartments inside the case. There's ample space for my additional batteries, memory cards, and even the camera charger. I'm able to fit my Sony ZV-E10 mic screen, memory card case, charging cord, battery charger, and 2 extra batteries in this case. It's not the smallest case, but it's functional. Love this compact little case that is sturdy, easy to pack and will protect my Sony ZV-E10 camera for travel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.